Well, I think it's finally time for dinner. And there's another family in Lampasas with the same affinity for stationary creatures. Luckily, they also serve up the finest Tex-Mex the other side of Sulphur Creek. And honestly, much, much further than that. Welcome to Alfredo's, run by the Suarez family that includes not just Alfredo himself, but his wife, their 6 kids, and their pet tiger, lion, horny toad, alligators, and brontosaurus. People flock here not just for fajitas, but for the full-on experience. So, Alfredo, this feels kind of like the Disney of Mexican restaurants.
Disney.
Yeah, I mean, look, we got alligators jumping out of the swamp over here. We got tigers. We got music. We got everything.
Yeah, you make me feel good.
All right, then I'm picking up the right vibe.
But this is not where to start.
Much smaller little place?
Oh,
or?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was very small. Everything's small.
And were you cooking?
Especially my pocket.
Yeah, right.
But thanks God, I have a very good people that really helped me really well.
That's awesome. How do you describe the food? Do you think it's like classic Tex-Mex or?
I would say that it's Tex-Mex. This is what people used to eat on this side of the border.
Queso, guac, deep fried jalapenos.
Enchiladas.
Are they doing these in Mexico or is this a full-on Texas type thing?
I would say Texas.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Some magic happens when you start deep frying something like jalapenos.
Yes, sir. It's very healthy too.
Oh, sure. Yeah, it's a vegetable.
We add a little ranch and vámonos. Mucho bueno.
Mucho bueno, mucho bueno. Alfredo's does classic Tex-Mex pretty much to perfection. The beef fajitas are marinated for hours. The enchiladas drip with sauce and flavor. And the queso, well, it's been voted the best in Lampasas. What's the secret to making good Mexican food?
Dedication, good product, and do it with love. It's like you're doing for your own family, not for the people. Whoever comes needs to feel at home.
I love it. Well, hey, thank you.
Hey, no problem. Thank you very much.
Well, folks, I think it's time to cenar ourselves with the special Enchilada Flag Plate. Green, white, and red. Remind you of anything? One, cheese enchilada with verde salsa. We got a chicken enchilada with sour cream. And then we got a beef enchilada with the red. All we're missing is the eagle holding the snake in the middle. Caw! Caw! How's that? That's not bad, especially because it was upside down. We'll give it wings. Ship wings. The best part about the flag plate is it is totally for the indecisive enchilada orderer. And that's totally me. Oh, that's a good cheese enchilada right there. Oh man, and then you just keep moving on down the line. Oh, good. They're like my enchilada children. I cannot pick a favorite. Right here. So good. As I dine with the tiger behind me and the full mariachi band singing over my shoulder. I'm getting the full Alfredo's experience right here. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.